Is there really anything better than watching a racist get put in their place?
You're going to jail! You're going to jail, you racist piece of shit!
Well, here are two examples of this, starting with a woman whose simple-minded views made headlines across the United States.
Go back to India! Why? We don't want you here!
On August 24, 2022, 3 women of Indian American descent were leaving the 60 Vines restaurant in Plano, Texas. While saying their goodbyes in the parking lot, they were confronted by this extremely angry woman out of nowhere.
Shut up! Who do you think you go back to India! Go back to India! Why? We don't want you here! You don't know what to hang on with. We don't want you here! If things are so great in your country, then stay there.
The woman named Miss Upton became enraged when she heard the 3 friends saying goodbye in an Indian language and decided to give them a piece of her mind. The 3 ladies gave as good as they got, and as you can see here, the situation spiraled out of control.
We were not talking to you. You came here. Get lost. Oh, come closer. Come closer. Oh my God, guys, record. She's hitting me. She's hitting me. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Oh, she's hitting me. She's hitting me.
She's a white woman wearing a black dress.
No, I'm not white. I'm Mexican. I'm Mexican. And I paid my way here.
Oh my God, she's hitting my friend now.
Miss Upton knows she's on camera, yet she still chooses to lie about hitting the woman, and even films the incident herself. Probably not the smartest move, since she's just recording her own extremely racist outburst.
I am not hitting your friend. You guys are all about...
I don't know, but she just hit my hand. She tried to hit my phone a bit.
I'm in a video.
I'm at the 60 Vines parking lot.
Oh, here.
Can you please send some help?
Oh, these Indians, they come to America because they want a better life.
Yes,
But
please.
they're obviously not living the great life in India.
No, she has a hand and I'm scared.
If we can talk to you, why did you walk up to us to talk to you? You
Yes.
could have
I hate you Indians, that's why. Did you guys come to our country?
If you are Mexican, why don't you go back to Mexico?
And you want here
just say you're Mexican. How does that make
I'm a Mexican American. I was born
What makes
here.
you think that we are not
Were you born
American?
here?
What makes you think that we are
Because
not?
of the way you speak. Because I'm a Mexican American, but I speak English.
The 4 of us were talking. Why would you come and talk to us and make a racist
My
comment?
friend.
Now she's hitting the 3rd person.
I'm not going to talk to you when you have your camera on. If you want to turn your camera off, I'm happy to talk.
We are
Turn it
Indians
off.
and she's telling us go back to
You're
our
the one who
country.
came and talked to me. I'm
She
talking with my
yelled at
friends.
us. We were just
Everywhere
standing in front.
go, you Indians are everywhere.
So she's talking.
If life here, and I'm, please, I'm
Yes,
trying
please.
to be civil here.
Yes,
If life is so great in India,
she's.
why the here?
I don't know if you can.
Why are
She's
y'all
coming
here?
back. She's coming back.
This is a country where I am a natural citizen here. You have.
You're a
When she comes
naturalized
back, Vidisha,
citizen.
let
You're
it
not
go.
a
Vidisha, don't
born and
engage.
raised
Vidisha, don't
citizen.
engage.
Don't engage.
So
Don't
why
engage.
are you here?
Don't engage.
I'm not going to talk to you because you are not my friend. You're a,
No, you're
nobody.
not my
You're a
friend.
stranger, and you have no right to come and talk to us.
No,
like
you're
this.
right. You know what, ma'am? You're right.
We will
Ma'am,
do that.
I am
We'll do that.
sorry.
We'll do
Ma'am,
that.
ma'am, I am sorry.
We'll do
You know
that.
what? Please.
I'm not.
Okay, well, peace. I'm trying to reach out. Peace. I overstepped my bounds, and I'm sorry.
She's suddenly apologizing and saying peace. I don't know what that means, but
But please have them come
Please,
here
please,
because
yeah,
we are not
please.
feeling safe
we
here.
don't feel safe right now.
What? Look, I'm not gonna hurt you guys. Look at me. I'm all of 100 pounds, and you guys weigh well over 200.
As you may have guessed, it turns out her apology wasn't as sincere as you might have thought. But what she does next takes her abuse to a whole new level.
And now she's walking away.
Stop
She's
videoing me. I swear to God, I will break the camera. Stop! I'm walking away. I'm leaving y'all alone. Turn the cameras off. You too. Turn that
No, it's not yet.
Turn
Don't see anybody.
I'm going to go to the restaurant. Let's just go to the restaurant.
Officers are on their way. There's nobody here. She's not.
Oh my God, now she's going to the third friend.
My friend.
She's,
Yeah. She's coming back. Stop, woman! And she's reaching.
oh my God, please come. Please get here quickly.
Shabari, don't engage. Shabari.
Hey, there's a car coming, be careful.
Notice Miss Upton has her hand in her bag, and according to the 3 victims, she claims she is hiding a gun and is threatening to shoot if they don't stop filming. If she's telling the truth, the situation could turn deadly. But thankfully, police units arrive before things get any worse.
Yeah, that's yeah. Yes, sir. Here. There she is. Thank you so much.
All you can back up that way, please.
Sure.
According to the victim's lawyer, Miss Upton also claimed to have a gun in her car, but it turns out she was just running her mouth. Even with the evidence on camera, the officers let Upton go, only arresting her the next morning. She was charged with making terroristic threats. Just a few months later, one of the victims filed a lawsuit for an unknown amount of damages, telling the court the incident had affected her life and left her waking up in cold sweats. The victims here are lucky things didn't get physical, but the 4 girls in this next case weren't so fortunate. When an angry father returned to a coffee shop to complain about a drink he ordered, the situation became so out of control that the video clip went viral across the internet and got Mr. Iannazzo in a lot of trouble.
I want to speak to the fucking person who made this drink. Is that you?
No, we don't know who made it,
You
so
don't know who made it?
there's 4 of us here, so we obviously don't know.
Fucking stupid, fucking ignorant high school kids.
Okay,
I
bye.
want to speak to the fucking
Bye.
manager.
Okay, you can call corporate whenever you want. Goodbye. Jam, stop. You're on camera.
Fuck
You're on
out of
camera.
here,
You're on
you
camera.
fucking bitch.
No, I don't care.
It explained while ordering his drink that his son had an extreme allergy to peanuts and asked the staff to make sure there were no peanuts in his drink. When he got home and gave the drink to his son, he had an allergic reaction. His complaint was genuine, and his son's reaction was so bad that he needed immediate medical help. Mr. Iannazzo wasn't happy, but as this video shows, his reaction was completely over the top.
Give it to me right now.
What? I'm calling the police. I'm calling the police.
Fuck you. I want the fucking telephone right now.
Do you
I want the
understand?
telephone. Shut the fuck up.
Shut up. Down. You
Fucking stupid fucking idiot. You're a fucking idiot.
Okay, good for you. Bye.
I want the fucking telephone. Shut up.
You shut up. You're not gonna tell me to shut up. The fuck? Who are you? Who are you?
Fucking immigrant loser.
What? Fuck you. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. You're going to jail. You're going to jail, you racist piece of shit.
I want the fucking telephone.
Bro, call the police now.
After racially abusing the teen behind the counter and trying to barge his way into the kitchen, this employee has seen enough and orders Iannazzo to leave. It's worth pointing out that Mr. Iannazzo has come straight to the coffee shop while his son was being rushed to the hospital, something that was later brought up in his court case. For his racial outburst, Mr. Iannazzo was sentenced to Accelerated Rehabilitation, or AR, which is a Connecticut program for first-time offenders by which charges can be dismissed after a period of probation, which in this case is 1 year. He was also ordered to donate $500 to charity. He was even fired from his job, but ultimately found employment somewhere else. Mr. Iannazzo will be immortalized on the internet and will always be known as the Fairfield Smoothie Guy. What do you think about these cases? Let us know in the comments below. Until the next time.